Hey, it's Tom from Tom's Toons. This is a quick tip when you're tearing a boat down. I promise you will likely come across some old hardware. This is stainless. It's a number 3 Phillips head, but as you can see, it's been rounded out a little bit. This boat's been taken apart and put back together at least once or twice. Not the original carpeting, not necessarily even the original hardware. We've got our little tool here. It's got a number 3 Phillips head bit with a socket. We just don't want to scratch the heck out of these railings if we can help it. So I'm using a handheld tool instead. But when I go to put a wrench on the bottom and I try to loosen this, if you get in here and look, it just isn't gonna grab. You can see there's just enough of that thread or that Phillips head in the head of the bolt. It's just not gonna let it go. So here's a quick tip. I'm gonna take that bit right out. I'm going to insert it, line it up with my machine screw and my bolt, and I'm going to hit it with a hammer right down in there. So if you look now, that's seated down in there really nicely. I'm going to give it one more tap. Yes, that was 2. Now when I get my wrench on the bottom side and I add tension, I've seated my bit down in there properly so I can turn. And now I'm going to be able to get this bolt right out without the headache of stripping all of these heads of these machine screws or bolts. That is a quick tip for tear down on your boat. Hopefully it saves you a lot of headache. We've gone through the years of doing this and figured out what works and what gives us headaches. We like doing what works a little bit better. Thanks for watching.